Having problems using one of Mr. Donnelly's cameras? Do you have bad grades on every digital media project you do? Do you want to take better, high-quality videos? Then watch this video to learn how to use a Canon T7i properly. First, you will need a camera, an SD card, a battery, a tripod, which is optional, a sign-out sheet, and a pencil. Step 1. Head over to the shelf in the back of Mr. Donnelly's room to grab a camera. Look for the cabinet and open it. Then find the type of camera that you are going to use for your project. Each shelf has a label so you know which camera models are on each shelf. For this demo, we are going to use the Canon T7i. Step 2. Grab a battery. If you don't know which battery to use, look for the name, in this case T7i, labeled in front of the boxes standing on the table next to the shelf with cameras. Look at the bottom of the camera and find the battery compartment. Open the cover for the battery compartment, then put the battery inside. Make sure the sensor matches and don't try to force it in. Step 3. After putting the battery in the camera, go over to Mr. Donnelly's desk and grab an SD card. If you can't find them, look for a leather case, but you will most likely find it on his desk. Put the SD card on the card slot, which is located on the right side of the camera, and make sure the sensors match. If you need help, look above on the cover of the SD card slot. If you need to take the camera after school, make sure to sign your name on the sign-out sheet next to the door. Fill out your name, the date out, and think about when you plan to return the camera. Next, in the camera model column, write the model of your camera, so enter case T7i. For the number of batteries, just write 1, as long as you just borrow one camera. Then write the type of tripod you're using, which means the name of the company that made the tripod. Also write the type of SD card, color and number of gigabytes, and the charger. If you borrow one, which isn't really necessary if you borrow the camera for just one day, at the bottom of the paper, make sure to sign and write the date. Step 5. To start filming, make sure you flip the switch on the top of the camera on the right side and put it on movie mode. Step 6. Open the screen and press the red button right next to the screen. Step 7. If your camera screen is blurry, make sure the switch on the lens is on AF or autofocus. Step 8. If you hold the shutter button halfway until a green rectangle appears, the camera will focus instantly. To review your footage, press the playback button next to the bottom right corner of the display. You're a pro now and you're ready to use a T7i camera properly. The only thing you need for a perfect project now is creativity. Fun fact: do you know that the first color photograph was taken in 1861 by James Maxwell?